This meditation is no joke. It is extremely powerful and will make anyone return who is currently no contact with you. So please only listen to this once a day. Thank you for subscribing and remembering to click that bell icon because I create new manifestation videos several times a week to manifest love through the law of attraction. I have helped thousands of people all around the world, and I can help you too to manifest your love fast and easily. Just visit me at joybyjanell.com to get results like these. This is not a normal meditation. This is a command to the universe, a forced transformation in reality. Be prepared, your special person's obsession will reach unbelievable levels. Now let's begin. They are constantly checking on me and giving me attention. They are not only in love and obsessed with me, I am literally the reason they exist. They exist just for me. They are disgusted by the idea of being with anyone else but me. They only have eyes for me. They are intensely protective and possessive over me. They feel jealous when anyone else is around me. They are constantly thinking about me. They are wondering what I am doing. They are obsessing over me. They are craving me. They are unable to think of anything else but me. They crave me so much that they feel empty and incomplete without me. They are helplessly drawn to me and can't stay away. Their whole world revolves around me. They are addicted to my energy and can't function without me. They are so needy that they can't be at peace without my attention. Thoughts of me consume their mind every second of every day. They are constantly needing my attention, affection, and validation. They think of me as the most beautiful person to ever exist. We are both completely aligned energetically. This relationship is destined to work out. They treat me like royalty. They constantly shower me with money and gifts. I am the air they breathe. They break no contact with me. They text me. They call me. They FaceTime me. They confess their feelings to me. They are open and loving with me. They commit to me. They desire me. They long for my presence. They yearn for me. They feel a pull towards me. They reach out to me on every social media platform. They remove any romantic third parties from their life. They accept my love and affection. They reject all others. They are bound by me. They are spellbound by me. They are more in love with me than I am with them. They have vivid dreams about me. They are devoted to me. They eagerly text me now. Texting me now is their top priority. Texting me now brings joy to them. Texting me now is their favorite activity. They can't resist reaching out to me instantly. Our conversations flow effortlessly and instantly. Texting me now fills them with happiness. Our communication is a constant exchange of love and affection. Texting me now is their greatest desire. They can't resist texting me right away. Texting me now is the highlight of their day. They can't help but shower me with messages. Our communication fills them with euphoria. Texting me now is their passion. Texting me now is their favorite way to express affection. I receive constant, affectionate calls from them. I feel so cherished and adored by their frequent messages. They enjoy showering me with texts and calls. I am so grateful for the constant stream of love and messages from them. Their heart lights up every time they reach out to me. I effortlessly attract quick and loving messages from them now. I attract such rapid and loving responses from them. They prioritize our conversations above all else. They find so much happiness in our daily communication. They cherish our constant communication so deeply. Our ongoing conversation brings us immense joy and fulfillment. I am so fortunate to receive an abundance of affectionate messages and calls from them. I am worthy of such a loving and instant connection with them. I feel truly blessed by the ongoing exchange of affection with them. It is already done. You should be starting to experience a warm, beautiful feeling inside of you now. You'll find for this meditation to work best, you should repeat it 2 more times over the next 2 days. Type, "They eagerly contact me now" to affirm. If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, the most powerful spells on the planet can help you even more. Just head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below. I can help you make your special person yours forever, just like thousands of my other clients. Subscribe for more content like this.